Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is citysquares.com and this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 74 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 48 and the spam score is only 20%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 62.5k monthly visits and mostly traffic from USA, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Mexico and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for your business listing. Okay. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the sign up button. And there you can fill your login details like your email address and your first name. So James Bolden, there you can consider your password. And after that, you can click on the sign up button. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So once you guys will complete these things, so after that this site will send you a verification email. So recently I created a one account, a previously account, so there I have created. So in this website I received a verification email a couple of minutes later, like 10 minutes later. So let me check I received or not. Okay, so I haven't received any confirmation email. Let me check and another folders. Socials haven't, and also let me check in spam folder. So yeah, I haven't received. So what I can do, E25. So okay, I will tell you guys how you can verify your profile. So this is my previous account. So another Gmail, so where I have created a different account on this site. So let me show you. So you can see notify confirmation instruction. So City Square, and the timing is 9:11 a.m. and you can see the time now. The time is 9:24 a.m. So 10 to 15 minutes ago I received, and you can receive that kind of message. So you can click on the confirm my account. Then they will redirect you on the interface, and there you can fill your email address and your password, and you can see was already confirmed. So I have already confirmed. Okay, so after that you can click on the my home button, and there is add businesses. This is so you can click on the add businesses, and after that there you can first thing you can search your business. So suppose that my business name is Jobma and the city is Mintonka. So let me search. If I haven't listed, so our business is not available, unavailable, already claimed, unavailable, already claimed. Okay, so there we have already created our account, I guess. So Jobma, and Jobma is video interview software, and these things. Okay, so so let me show you another businesses. Jobma interview. So you can search your business name. If you haven't listed your business, so you can find that kind of button, add a businesses. So you can click on this. So there you can add your business name. So business name should be DML. Let me use a DML only, and after that they're going to pick your category. So my category is internet marketing, advertising, and after that there if your business is having a service area, if you're providing a physical services, So you can add your service area, and there you can add your addresses. So I picked randomly, so you can select your state. State is Georgia. Then you can select your city, and after that there you can fill your zip code and your contact number, and in this section there you can add your company description. There you can add your website URL and your YouTube video. So if you are having a YouTube, so you can add your YouTube video URL, and from there you can upload your profile picture, and there you can add your Facebook URL, your Twitter handle, your Instagram handle, and your YouTube video profile, and your LinkedIn profile, Pinterest keywords. So there you can add your targeted keyword. So targeted keyword is digital marketing, SEO, backlinks. So this is these kind of my targeted keywords. So you can add your targeted keywords. So this is a best feature on this for this site, on this site. And there you can add your opening hours. So opening hours, my opening hours is 24/7, 24/7. And after that, once you guys will complete your all details, year founded to 2024. So this is my founded year, and the services. So services is backlinks, digital marketing training, So there you can add any brands or any associations if you are having a subsidiary brands. Okay, so you can use either add. And once you guys will complete your all details, so then after that you can click on the create a listing button. So you can see a verified owner, and the listing was successfully created, and you can see your all details. So after that you can click on the my home button, and you will see your two listings are appearing. So DML training and the DML this is recently I have created, and you can see this is in moderation. So this will be take a couple of times. So City Squash team will be going to review your listing, then after that they will going to approve. Once they will approve, you will receive a confirmation through email. Then you are able to see your business listing on this site, and you can able to edit anything whatever you want it. Okay, so this is a process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.